The Tesla Cybertruck, while incredibly durable, features a 30-gauge cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton that's prone to pitting, staining, and corrosion, especially from road salt and environmental exposure. Tesla has addressed this with updated manuals and services, but proactive protection is essential to maintain its 50-year corrosion warranty. This stainless steel is rust-resistant, but not impervious to chlorides, acids, and abrasions. Without protection, visible pitting can develop after just 1 to 2 years in harsh environments. Road salt deposition is particularly problematic, with areas along highways showing the highest concentrations. This environmental exposure accelerates corrosion rates significantly. Despite its off-road capabilities and futuristic design, the Cybertruck requires protection to preserve its appearance and warranty. Don't worry, this video covers everything you need to know about wraps, coatings, and cleaning fundamentals. With over 500,000 units delivered globally by mid-2025, 60% of owners invest in protection within the first year. Without it, average corrosion costs can reach $500 to $1,000 annually in high-risk areas. Wraps are vinyl films applied to protect your Cybertruck's stainless steel surface. Popular brands include 3M and Avery Dennison, which provide reliable protection for the unique material. These vinyl wraps offer comprehensive protection. They shield against scratches, UV damage, and minor impacts, while also guarding against road salt, bird droppings, and other environmental exposure that can corrode stainless steel. Plus, they're removable and customizable, helping preserve your vehicle's resale value. Current trends in Cybertruck wraps include matte finishes for a rugged, stealthy appearance. Eco-friendly and biodegradable options are also emerging, with a focus on sustainable, recyclable materials that align with Tesla's environmental ethos. Ultimately, vinyl wraps act as a crucial barrier between harsh environmental elements and your Cybertruck's stainless steel. This protective layer helps prevent corrosion and keeps the vehicle looking pristine over time. Ceramic and nanoceramic coatings, such as those from Turtle Wax or Adams polishes, form a protective layer on the stainless steel surface. This coating creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water droplets, preventing them from sticking to the surface. The barrier also repels dirt and contaminants, keeping them from reaching the metal underneath. Additionally, the coating enhances the natural gloss and shine of the stainless steel. These coatings typically last between 2 to 5 years with proper maintenance and care. Looking ahead, graphene-infused formulas are expected to extend this protection period to 7 to 10 years by 2030. Ultimately, the coating prevents direct contact between contaminants and the stainless steel surface, effectively stopping corrosion before it can start. Use pH-neutral soaps like Tesla-recommended CarPro Sea Quartz and microfiber cloths to avoid etching. Avoid acidic cleaners like vinegar or citrus-based products that can cause pitting on stainless steel. For stains, use a baking soda and water mixture. Rinse with deionized water to prevent salt residue. Don't let problems sit for extended periods. A Cybertruck owner in Colorado applied a full-body vinyl wrap and ceramic coating before a 10,000-mile off-road trip. Post-trip inspection showed minimal wear compared to an unprotected truck, which developed scratches and pitting. This case, documented on YouTube, boosted wrap adoption in adventurous demographics by 30%. Professional detailers and engineers strongly recommend protection for Cybertruck's stainless steel. Detailer Adam Carolla calls ceramic coatings essential for stainless steel EVs, noting they reduce maintenance costs by 50%. Chemical engineer Dr. Lisa Thompson from MIT explains that nanocoatings can halve the corrosion rate of stainless steel, with lab tests showing 70% less pitting even in harsh environments. The future of Cybertruck protection looks promising, with emerging trends focused on sustainability and technology. Expect more eco-friendly wraps made from biodegradable materials that are both protective and environmentally conscious. Graphene-infused coatings are evolving rapidly, offering enhanced durability and self-healing properties that can last up to 10 years. AI-powered maintenance apps are integrating with Tesla's software to provide real-time corrosion alerts and protection monitoring. The future may bring integrated factory wrap options directly from Tesla. making protection a standard feature. Regular cleaning with gentle methods and routine inspections are essential to maintaining your protection investment. Neglecting maintenance can lead to visible damage and costly repairs. Stay vigilant with these emerging trends and proper maintenance to protect your Cybertruck investment for years to come.